Popular get-rich-quick strategies include online lottery and filling envelopes at home. Make money? Maybe. Your 9-to-5 work pays more. At least you'll get paid. The truth is there are real ways to make money online. Millions of people are doing it each day. In this video we are going to talk about 10 ways to make money online in 2022. But before we continue, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for further updates. In the modern world, there are so many options for us to profit from when it comes to earning money online. I've put together a list of the top 10 ways to make money online in 2022 since some individuals do not know how they may use their abilities and knowledge to create a respectable amount of money online. These techniques are straightforward and quick to implement, therefore I suggest watching this post if you're interested in earning some additional money online. Number 10. Begin dropshipping. Dropshipping is an online business strategy where the retailer sells things without holding any inventory on hand. 3 essential elements of dropshipment are as follows. The merchant locates product providers, chooses which products to sell, and orders the chosen products from the supplier. The product is delivered directly to the customer by the provider. The retailer is not required to keep stock or store the goods. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average income for dropshipping is $25,000. For retailers searching for extra revenue streams but who do not need to keep their products stocked, dropshipping is a fantastic option. Number 9. Start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is the best method to earn money online. Although there are many ways to make money with your YouTube videos, the 2 most popular options are affiliate marketing and adverts. By charging for YouTube's new ad-free paid subscription option, you can continue to offer your videos without charge. When you create a YouTube account, it functions similarly to having an email address, allowing people to contact you or have a conversation with you about subjects that are interesting to you. You can start earning money on the side by creating a Google AdSense account, which will grant advertisers access to your YouTube videos. By charging for ad space on your channel, you might also make money off of your video content. Number 8. Establish your influence. Being an influencer online is a common way to earn money. Influencers have a sizable fan base, and they generate money by selling people on the value of their own experiences as sources of information or role models. Blogging, podcasting, social media, YouTube videos, Instagram posts, Twitter tweets, and other channels can all be used for this. The earning potential of an influencer is enormous, and you can use online storefronts to offer your own goods and services. You'll feel less stressed and have more time to spend with your family. Others simply promote items on their channels for the love of being able to share their ideas with others, while some influencers work with businesses on sponsored content to make some additional money. An influencer typically makes $2,970 each month. However, there are large disparities in revenue, particularly in relation to the amount of followers on accounts. Number 7. Create an ebook. Ebooks are books that have been published online and are available for free reading. Even some of them have been made into motion pictures. Publishing an ebook can earn you money, but it's not a simple task. You should start by writing a high-quality ebook. You can accomplish this with the aid of experts, including ghostwriters. Your book must be edited and proofread after it is written in order for it to be published on Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing program. In order for readers to download your book once it becomes available for purchase, you must also register for KDP. Once you've finished all of these procedures, you're prepared to use Amazon's KDP service to publish your ebook online. The book will then need to be promoted and sold through social media, your blog, and email. Number 6. Work as a consultant in social media. Making money online can be done in a variety of ways. The first is to work as a social media consultant, where you assist others by giving them the tips and direction they require to begin making money online. This could be a terrific method for you to start making some extra money if you have expertise using social media platforms like Facebook or Twitter. Making an account on websites like Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, and People Per Hour is another method to earn money using your own social media profiles. These websites are fantastic for independent contractors and those with lots of free time, since you can offer your abilities to companies that require assistance with tasks like social media management or content creation. Once you start getting paid for these kinds of services, you'll be able to establish your own prices and make money online every month. Number 5. Video editor. Although it can be challenging, there are many ways to make money online. A freelance career as a video editor would be one method to make money online. You may earn some extra money on the side by editing videos for businesses if that's something you're interested in doing. A YouTube channel of your own would allow you to broadcast videos of yourself editing videos and instruct others in the process. To get started with this kind of business, you will need a nice camera, but once you do, you can start earning money online. Because you may start making money from home using the talents you've acquired in your prior employment, video editing is a terrific option to make money online. A freelance video editor makes, on average, $26 per hour or $53,958 per year. The top 10% of independent video editors, though, can potentially make more than $84,000 annually. Number 4. Work as a tutor online. In recent years, the number of people who have made a profession as online teachers has increased dramatically. It is a viable method for earning additional money while maintaining a position in the traditional labor market. Skype is one of the most well-liked platforms for online instruction, but a computer is required to handle the high-bandwidth video transmission. In order for your student to see and hear you properly when they are asking you questions, you will also need a microphone and webcam. Posting your CV in an online classified ad is the easiest way to find tutoring positions on the internet. Make sure to broaden your search when looking for tutoring positions and avoid focusing only on one location or one state. Instead, examine all of the current job advertisements to determine which one best fits your qualifications. Number 3. Evaluate the websites of others. Because you can do it from the convenience of your home, this is a fantastic method to generate money online. Simple tasks like checking websites for broken links or updating their content are available to you. You can upload your resume on test-making websites and start earning money right away. The best thing about this work is that it doesn't require any specific training or education. Anyone with some familiarity with computers can do it and earn a respectable wage. The majority of the labor entails making frequent updates to your portfolio to maximize income while using a lot of software. Additionally, the salary is really competitive, which is unusual for internet work. The internet is the most effective tool for job searching. Number 2. Create a profitable podcast. In recent years, podcasting has become a more popular way for aspiring writers and business owners to make some quick money. In fact, there were over 1 billion podcast subscribers as of July 2017, and 120 million new subscribers were added per month. Additionally, 114 minutes per day are spent listening to podcasts on smartphones or other devices in the typical US household. By producing podcasts on subjects like finance and entrepreneurship as well as health and well-being, many people have benefited from this trend. Advertising is a common method of revenue generation and can be carried out via direct mail or email. Your podcast may be sponsored by some businesses, which might be highly profitable. You must first choose the kind of content you want to produce for your podcast before putting together an episode outline to direct your workflow. Number 1. Become an influencer. Influencers make money online. Influencers have a significant fan base and generate money by selling their experiences to individuals who want to learn more or utilize them as a role model. Blogging, podcasts, social media, YouTube videos, Instagram posts, Twitter tweets, etc. Influencers can sell their own products on e-commerce websites. More family time and fewer worry. Some influencers partner with brands on sponsored content to make extra income, while others just adore sharing their ideas. A monthly influencer salary is $2,970. There are considerable revenue variations based on followers. Micro-influencers cost $1,420 per month on average. Share your material or invite your followers to share it for you to make money. Which way do you think we missed? Which one are you going to implement? Do let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.